Jesus said, one who doesn't hate his parents will not follow me and love me. Now this became a problem. I tried intellectually, spiritually, to a degree of mental, emotional, and spiritual exhaustion, but still I failed to understand the true hidden meaning of this paragraph of what Jesus said. Those who do not hate his parents will not love me. I was unable. I was unable to comprehend the hidden meaning of this. But then one day, I requested Sarkar, Jesus said this, but I don't have a clue what it really means. Sarkar smiled and Sarkar hugged me in batin. And then the secret of this came upon my heart. Now, one who doesn't hate his parents, when I came to know of the secret of this, to a certain degree, very peculiar, notion. Because our religions tell us to respect our parents. And Jesus is telling us to hate them. This is not making any sense. Does it make any sense to you? You have to think practically. And when we're close to reality, then we become blocked. Then we come to a deadlock. And when we come to a deadlock, and when we are mentally, spiritually exhausted, but we can still have no clue, then comes help of God in terms of giving you understanding of what you're failing to understand. So what was revealed upon my heart was, a man is a composition of Y chromosomes and X chromosomes. To hate it is to hate your parents. To hate your Y and X chromosomes is to hate your parents. Now the question is, how do you hate your Y and X chromosomes? You hate them by engrossing more divine energy, so much so that it saturates your Y and X chromosomes, and the ingredients of Y and X chromosomes, in other words, your DNA, is removed and it is replaced by divine energy. When this has happened, you will begin to love Jesus Christ. So it was not for the factual situation where you would say to your parents, I hate you, I hate you, mother, I hate you, father, because I want to love Jesus. Mother and father would both say, when did Jesus say or ask you to hate us? So this doesn't mean we're physically, required or supposed to hate our parents. No, we can't. But to hate them is to hate in a way where you trace out your biological origin and you replace it with your spiritual origin. This is divine energy. Now, there are so many pieces of advices by Jesus in Thomas's Gospel of Thomas. And if I comment on each one of this, you would be completely beguiled. This is known as the cream of Bible. This is known as the principal decree of God, which is buried in Bible. And this one particular verse from chapter John is closer to God than any other verse or chapter from Bible. This is the spirit of Bible. And what is it? Love God, your Lord, with all your heart, with all your soul, and love your neighbor. When I asked, my neighbors don't believe in God, how do I love them? And he said, your neighbor, where are you? I said, I'm here. And he said, no, this is not you. You are your soul here. And the souls attached with your soul are your neighbors. Love your neighbor. Now, if I give you a discourse on Bible, in particular, Gospel of Thomas, or this Bible has no value as compared to Gospel of Thomas, honest to God.
ALRA TV, the place to connect with God.